In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, the first thing you want to do is go into settings and tap on Bluetooth and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, pick up your PS5 controller and you want to put it now in pairing mode. And to do this, simply press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously until the edge lights start flashing blue. So press and hold them together like that. And once the lights start flashing blue like that, you know now that your PS5 controller is in pairing mode. So now you want to go back to your phone and scan for Bluetooth devices. And as you can see, my PS5 controller has been detected, so I'll simply tap on it like that, and then tap on pair. And now my PS5 controller has been successfully connected. So now I can use it for gaming and any other navigation process I might want to use it for. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.